8th class B section, number 20. 8th B. 9th A, number 8. 9th A, number 8. Sorry. Next, 9th class B section, 9th B, number 4. Who is first Lok Sabha Speaker?
G.V. Maulankar.
G.V. Maulankar. Is it right answer? Okay, thank you. Next. Who is first Andhra Pradesh governor? Who is first Andhra Pradesh governor? Anyone idea, ma? Sir, come forward. Come fast. Who is first Andhra Pradesh governor?
Chandulal Madhav Trivedi.
Very good. Chandulal Madhav Trivedi, CM Trivedi. So next question. So who is the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Who is first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Anyone idea? Come forward. Anyone? Come fast. Puneet.
Sukumar Hussain.
Very good. Sukumar Sen. Current affair questions. Are you remember it, ma? Okay. So who is present Lok Sabha Speaker?
Om Birla.
So present Rajya Sabha Chairman and Vice President of India? Jagdeep. President of India? Present Andhra Pradesh Governor?
Abdul Nazir.
Present Chief Election Commissioner? Rajiv Kumar. Okay, very good. Don't forget. Okay, thank you.